Hey guys, we're back for another week of math. Hey, today, this is actually Tuesday, so it would have been last week's Tuesday till you watch this, but today was pajama day, so I got my Christmas pajamas. My kids got me, it says Papa Bear. My wife is obviously Mama Bear. And I got my plaid pajama pants that match. So today, relaxed pajama day. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's healthy in your family. Miss you guys. I wish we were back at school, but we'll do our best. The good thing is most all you guys are juniors, so we'll see you next year. I'm teaching all the senior classes next year, so I'll have all seniors next year. So that'll be nice. We'll be able to be together next year in class, okay? So we're moving on. Now, we are learning something called exponent equations. Now, it kind of sounds obvious. It's equations that are created by the exponents of numbers. Now, we know 3 is the base and 2x is the exponent. So again, 3 is the base, 2x is the exponent. Okay, equals 3 is the base, 8 is the exponent. Now, what's nice about math is because both of these bases are the same, because that's a 3 and that's a 3, then the equal sign does represent the two exponents. Okay, and it's really a pretty easy concept because since that's a 3 and that's a 3, I can say that the 2x has to be equal to 8. So this exponent on the same base, it has to be equal to this exponent on the same base. Okay, now again, super easy because boom, divide away the 2, divide away the 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay, there's our answer. So again, this is pretty simple. Okay, we'll spend a few days on this, a few videos, but starting off pretty simple. Okay, so when you have the same base and they're equal, then that means the exponents have to be equal. Okay, let's try a couple more over here. Okay, so again, now the next video we're going to have bases that don't match. Okay, we'll talk about what to do there. So I got 5 base and a 5 base here. So that exponent 4x minus 2 has to be equal to 10. Okay, so 4x minus 2 has to be equal to 10. 4x minus 2 has to be equal to 10. Now again, I mean, this is really pretty simple stuff because I'm just going to solve. So I have 4x minus 2. So remember, get rid of minus 2. We do plus 2 to both sides, right? Crosses out. 4x equals, okay, 10 plus 2, 12. 4x, divide away the 4, right? Boom. Divide away the 4. 12 divided by 4. X equals 3. And you got it. Okay, now this one's not, I mean, again, none of these are that hard. Just going back to some things you might not have remembered. But, okay, that base is 4, that base is 4. We've got 3x, we've got x plus 6. Okay? So that 3x has to be equal to x plus 6. Okay, now guys, what we did, I remember like the very first week of school, we tried to review some of these things, and some of you are better at this than others. Look, we got an x here, and now we got another x here. Now remember, I need to think of a coefficient in front of this x. Remember, when there's no number in front of the x, we can put a 1. Remember, you can put a 1 in front of anything, and it doesn't really change it. So I put a 1 in front of that x. Now I've got an x here, an x here. Remember, we cancel the smaller x or this x because there's only one number here. I wouldn't want to cancel the 3x because there's nothing else over here. But I can cancel the 1x because the 6 is here. Now again, I'm canceling the 1x. I'm not dividing away just the 1. I want to cancel the 1 and the x, so I do the opposite sign. And see, that makes everything go away. Whatever I do to one side, I do the same to the other. So 3x minus 1x is 2x. Again, the 1x is canceled because I did 1x minus 1x, which goes to 0. And remember, 0 goes away. Now that 6 is left over here, so I bring the 6 down. Okay, last step, I've got 2x, divide away the 2. Divide away the 2, 6 divided by 2, boom. There we go. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and that is our answer. Okay, x equals 3. So again, I mean, this is really not very difficult math, as long as you're kind of following the steps. So again, when the bases are the same, the bases of the exponents are the same, you can just set the exponents equal. So here's your 2 problems to solve. Enter in the answers on the journal, and you'll get credit. Okay, so there you go. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye.